Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to customize right-click context menu in Windows 11 operating system. So let's get started. If you are on the latest preview build of Windows 11 and you have build 26340 in the experimental channel, you can make this customization right away. In case if you are on the stable version of Windows 11, you need to wait a little bit and these features may be shipped with the next upcoming version of Windows 11. So here I open the file explorer, and if I right click on any content, for example an image in the pictures folder, when I do right click I have this option customize menu. Once I click that, it takes me to the settings app, then personalization, then context menu. This context menu page has been added to Windows 11 settings app, and it provides us the flexibility to customize the right click context menu. So here under file extensions we have options to configure. Let me put these windows side by side so that I can explain. So by default, when I do right click on the context menu on the picture, you can see that I have copy as path option already available, and this is also turned on by default. Now if I turn on send to option, then we have here send to option enabled. You can use it to send your content to other devices. Then we have print option. You can turn it on in order to enable or disable print function directly from the right click context menu. So on my system there is no printer installed, so I do not get this option, but if you have a printer installed, definitely you will see the option. Then next option we have is create shortcut. Once I turn it on, you can see that when I do right click on the picture, I got the option create shortcut. Then copy as path is already enabled. Then we got the option rotate image. This option is only available for image files. However, when I do a right click on this picture, I do not get this rotate image option on the context menu yet, but I hope it would be included in upcoming builds. This could be a bug because the feature is latest and is under development. I hope it should be fixed in the next upcoming builds. Then I have here app extensions. So you can enable or disable app extensions, turn on or off the individual app options to show them in the context menu. So here I turned on OneDrive and Photos, and you can see that here we have the option for OneDrive move to OneDrive, and for Photos we have the option edit with photos. These options may also be available under app extensions. And next we have additional options on this page. So here we have the first option, arrange primary actions inline. It is turned off by default. Once I turn it on, I can have the cut, copy, paste, rename, share and delete options inline. You can see that these are now inline. When I turn off the option, these options are shown like this. And then we have here keep cloud storage actions in their own section. When I turn on this option, I do not see much differences because I do not have the cloud storage section on this context menu. So maybe we have better clarity in the upcoming builds for this option. And then we have here show more options. So the show more options is already available in the older versions of Windows 11, and once you click that you get the classic style context menu. So you can turn on or off show more options now using the context menu page in the settings app. And finally we have the move properties to the bottom of the context menu option. You can turn on or off this option to move the properties to the bottom of the context menu. You turn off the option, the properties are moved in the middle. So this is how you can customize the right click context menu for different content in Windows 11 operating system. The feature is still in development and requires your feedback. So what's your take on this feature? Did you found this helpful? If you found this feature helpful, write down in comments and let me know. And that's it for now in this video. Thanks for watching it. If you found it helpful, do like it, share it, and I'll see you in the next video.